Okay, so let me show you the drawers I cleared out. Cleared out this drawer. I didn't clear out this drawer because of how heavy it is. I didn't clear out this drawer either because of how heavy it is. But then I did clear out this drawer, and I will show you the setup in the US General 27 by 22 inch top chest slate grade. So then here's the top chest setup. Pry tool set, my hammers, the receipts for a bunch of stuff, Benchmade, cleaning and lubricant, pry bars. That's pretty much it in this drawer for now. The one drawer that's going to get more stuff added to it. Oh wait, I forgot I could keep this open just to open this. Then my Phillips and flatheads, my electric screwdriver. I honestly could put the bits in here, but it is what it is. I'll rearrange it sooner or later again. Then my pliers, adjustable wrench, my 5-piece pliers setup, bunch of my icon stuff, bunch of my bits, bunch of my hex keys, bunch of my drivers, bunch of driver attachments, and the Benchmade Knifesmith kit. My ratchets, bunch of extensions that technically won't fit in the Kent Automotive setup, and then I tossed in here because how tight of a fit it was in the Kent Automotive setup, and adapters and a bunch of other things. And then a bunch of spare clips. Bunch of safety gear, cutting tool, aka saw, light, cold weather gloves, nothing in this drawer, and then nothing in this drawer, which the two bottom drawers I'm more likely going to use for probably thinking dedicate one drawer just for sockets and one for combination wrenches and whatever else I get, which a bunch of y'all have already seen what I'm going to be getting today. So all the other tools I'm going to be getting today I'll dedicate to the bottom drawer once we're able to move this around after we sell our dad's Mustang and we get enough room for everything. But then I will keep you guys posted, so then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes videos where you get notified when I'm posting the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.